Okay, for this experiment, we need a funnel, 2 bottles of water, a balloon, a pen, and a bowl, baking soda, and a water with ice and vinegar. Okay, so we're gonna mark the water bottles to number 1 and number 2. So let me write number 1. Number 1 and number 2 right here. So then you grab your balloon number 1 and then you grab your funnel and put it in. And then you grab 2 pieces of baking soda. 1 and then 2, and there you go. So now we're gonna put baking soda in number 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna put 4 ounces of vinegar. If I just put this up carefully, right here, and then put in the other one. Ah! Oh no. So then you need to take this one, number 1, and then you need to put vinegar on this one. Oh, a little bit more. And then you put some, and there you go. So then you grab the water and you grab a bowl of ice and you pour in the water. Okay. And then you grab number 2 and then you pour it here. And there you go. Okay. After 3 minutes, when we just stop the video, after 3 minutes, you take this thing out. And now, okay, after that, I need to grab a lemon. And then I'm gonna take this thing out. And then